Alright, in this video we're trying to calculate the rate of change over a function on an interval. The function is x squared minus 5x minus 1, and we're on the interval from -1 to +1. Now, to find the average rate of change of a function, think of the slope formula, but we're going to use values of the function instead. F of b minus f of a all over b minus a, where -1 is our a and +1 is our b. Now to calculate these values, we need this for g. We need to find g of a, we need to find g of b. G of a is g of -1. And if I put -1 into the function, I get -1 squared is 1. -5 times -1 is 6, so I have 1, or -5 times -1 is +5, so I have 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 minus the 1 is 5. So that is my g of a value, or in this case g of -1. G of b would be the g of 1, this value right here. 1 squared is 1. 5 times 1 is 5. 1 minus 5 is -4. -4 minus 1, -5. So now I just have to sub the values in the right place. The f of b, or in this case g of b, is -5, minus the g of a, which is 5, all over b minus a, which is 1 minus -1. We get -10 over 2, and finally a value of -5. That means on this function, over this interval, the typical slope of the function is -5, or in slope terms, -5 over 1.